Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see portrait drawing of one of my friend. This is the outline of the drawing. I have drawn outline using H pencil. Using a charcoal pencil, I darkened the eyes. I used a 0.7 mm pencil to draw the areas around the eyes, and I shaded it using an earbud. With the help of the charcoal pencil, I have shaded the eyebrow areas darker. Then I took 0.7 mm pencil to detail the lips and teeth. Then I shaded the upper lip and spreaded it using an earbud. I shaded the mustache area patchy, as the reference image has a patchy mustache and lighter beard. It is very easy to spread graphite pencil than spreading charcoal pencil. Then I shaded mouth area using charcoal pencil. Apply the pressure based on darkness unit. For lighter shading, I used 0.7 mm graphite pencil. Please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And hit bell icon to get latest updates. The reference image has lighter beard, so I started shading with H pencil. Then I filled the beard area using dots so as not to make it more darker. I lightly shaded the area to make difference between skin and beard. I used a darker HB pencil to draw over darker areas. I used 0.7 mm pencil for lighter areas of hair and charcoal pencil for darker areas. As I felt the output is very light, I used 4B and 8B pencils to make it darker appropriately. Do follow on Instagram for early updates and outputs. Thank you for watching.